Okay, let's continue to do our introduction. Okay, so once you got the hang of how to select something, add something, delete something, and how to change this cursor position, and let's just bring back the cursor to its original place, right? The location, I'm going to put 0, 0, 0, so it will be at its original position. If you got that, and I think we can move things around. Okay, if you want to move this, say you want to move this cube, okay, you can just grab that. Once you want to grab that, you can just press the key G for grab, and you can move that anywhere in this 3D space. Okay, if you want to grab that here, you just click it and it will become here. And there is a one-time operation panel here. You can just change that, fine-tune that a little bit, and if you think you're done with that, just click anything else and it will disappear. But we should also remember that if we are at the cursors menu, this will change the cursor. So I think we can just choose the select box. This will be pretty good. Okay, the 3D cursor, let me just put 0, 0, 0. So to return the 3D cursor to its original place. And then if you want to move the torus, okay, just click the torus and press the key G to grab that. And we can, again, to move the torus around and make it surround our cube. Okay, I think this cube is a little down. Let me just click that and add a G, and we can move that above a little bit. So I think this perfectly surrounds the torus around the cube. Okay, so I think this is pretty much what we can do in this 3D space. We can grab anything, and if you want to grab this, say the point lines, you can just use a G. You can grab it and put it anywhere. So this is pretty useful tool for you to handle all this object in this 3D space. Okay, that's a very good tool. You can also just click this move. Okay, you can move it or you can grab it. Okay, if you choose a point and you click the move, you can just use this arrow here to move. If you want to move the Z arrow, you just move that and it will move just at this Z line here. And if you want to let it move, say, at the Y axis, you can just click the yellow and the yellow arrow, and you will only move at the Y axis. Okay, if you want to move at the X axis, you can just click the red arrow here and drag it. It will only change in this X direction. Okay, that's how we can move. But I personally prefer the grab tool because this give you more free choice. Okay, just press G and put it anywhere. And if you want to do some fine tuning, you can just put the exact coordinate here, or you can just use this kind of arrow to change that. Okay, so I think that's pretty much about the moving of objects in this 3D space in Blender. Okay.